I'm reviewing Neon's Apple certified dual docking station. This is a clock and it has the ability to have 2 alarms. Also, it's Bluetooth, it's a speaker, and this thing is incredible. Another great thing about this speaker is it has a remote control, so you don't need to worry about having to hit the buttons if you're in a different location of your room. Like my nightstand, where this is, and where my computer is across the room. If I want to listen to music via my Bluetooth, then I can use the remote control. It is currently on Bluetooth. It'll say BT here, but you can change this to dock 1, so it'll read your iPhone here, or dock 2. Now, it has to be on the dock 2 or dock 1 to charge. And I will discuss that a little more in just a second. So I am on dock 2, and now I'm able to control, and I can turn on the music that I have loaded into my phone. It also has an FM mode.
Sure. From Atlantic to Pacific.
What's different about this one is you can actually have 10 different presets. Your presets are up here, or again, you can use your controller. The controller, you can use tuning, so you can just scan through, or you will use the side buttons to go to your presets.
Family.
And when you're ready to get off FM, you can either press this button to go back to one of the docking stations. The middle here is your Bluetooth, and over here you can go to your USB read if you have a flash drive with your music on it, or to your auxiliary. Now, when I was reading to figure out how to set the time and the date, I went ahead and plugged my phone in to make sure that it could charge, and it read it immediately, and it went ahead and set the time and the date for me. So I didn't need to do that. But if you need to set it manually, there's a set time button here. There's also one that is on your remote control, which is below the FM dock. This is set time and display. And you just hold it down, and you will see you can choose between 12 hours versus the 24 hours. And you change it with your tuning, which is up here. See, there's 24. And when you decide which one you would like, you'll hit the play button, which is in the middle, and it'll go to your next number, and so forth. And then it's set. I mean, it's very self-explanatory. It's like most clocks, how it operates. So don't let all the features overwhelm you. Everything is very basic. After showing you that you can control each dock separately, you may be wondering if you can charge 2 devices at the same time. And the answer is yes. You can only control one at a time, but if both are plugged in, both will be charging. I'll show you mine. So you can see the little lightning bolt. So it is charging. And the other one. And there's the lightning bolt, so they are both charging at the same time. It'll recognize when both of them are in there. Now, I'm going to change it from the dock mode. Let's go to Bluetooth. This is the part that I don't like. is you're on Bluetooth now and it stops charging. This one is still charging, but the one that connects to the Bluetooth, it stopped charging. In terms of sound as a speaker, it speaks for itself. You can turn your bass on. And now you can really hear that beat. And then you can change the equalizer. Pop, jazz, rock, classical, flat. This one sounds better on rock. But yeah, it makes a very nice speaker. Can you turn it up? I don't hear any of the buzzing. And normally when you get really high with certain speakers, you'll start to hear a blasting buzz. And that's with the bass on. So it's an excellent clock and alarm clock and a very good speaker as well. I hope my review gave you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.